Hi guys, I'm going to be doing my Glossy box unboxing with you guys. Glossy box. So keep on watching if you want to see how I got this look out of my Glossy box. And there's a lot of skincare in here, which is why the only part of my face that has makeup on it is my eyebrows. So bear with me you guys. I know they look super dark and super bold right now, but once I have my makeup on, I think that it makes it look more even. And yeah, I just have my hair back. I have not put any moisturizer on my face. The only other thing after my face wash that I did apply was my toner, which was just to remove excess like makeup residue that was on my face. And that's it, guys. So when I opened it, it had this little thing in here, which is the only thing I looked at because I needed to know what was in the box so that I wouldn't apply it on my face. And this is where it tells you about the products and how much the full-size products cost. So this is the box. It has a little gift card, I believe it was. $25 gift card to Velvet Eyewear. It just has a code and it's Celebrate. I'm pretty sure that you guys want to use it. I don't know how much their stuff is, but $25 doesn't seem too bad from Velvet. Okay. And I'm opening it. And it looks like a pretty full box. But as I was reading, I feel like we got a lot of little samples. So the first one that I've been wanting to try, which was a teaser on their website, was the Buxom mascara, and I'm really like disappointed that it's like a little tiny sample. Although I know that like if you go to Sephora and you try to go to that little aisle where they have all of the little sample items or travel, you know, like in the line, these little babies are like $12, so they're still very pricey for like the little sample. So I will be using this today. The next thing I got is Steve Laurent. And I believe it's just like it's like a lip balm. I love lip balms, so we can just go ahead and put this on right now. Okay, I really like the packaging. It's glass packaging. It feels like very heavy and nice. Okay, so it has like a very, like a pinky tone, and I guess I could use my fingers. The only thing I don't like about these balms is that I wear fake nails, so I really don't want it to go on like inside my nail, so I think I did an okay job. It's nice. Kind of adds some color to my face. I don't know. I mean, it's cute. It's alright. Full size is $22 for 12 ounces, I believe. Yeah, this is the full size. So this little lip tint in Dusty Rose by Steve Laurent is $22. That's pretty much the whole cost of the box. And then the full size of the Buxom mascara is $22, and on Sephora I believe it's like $12 for this size. Marula oil. You know, I've actually been wanting marula oil for my hair, so I'm not too mad that this is in this box because I've been having a hard time finding some for my hair specifically. And the full size of this is $26, which is actually, I would totally pay $26 for the full size. This is only 0.34 fluid ounces. And if you guys want to do the math, I don't know how much this would cost if the full size is $26 for 3.4 ounces and this is 0.34 of an ounce. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And I just put a hair mask in my hair yesterday, and I feel like it's already kind of like soft and it's not too dry, but I mean, I could always add oil to my hair. So I've been actually on a hunt for marula oil for my hair ever since I saw Kathleen Light's end of the year favorites, and she said that marula oil helps her dry hair so much, and I feel like I have dry hair too, so I'm not mad at this sample, even though it is really small. Like, I always want like bigger samples for my Glossy box because it is like on the pricier side. Okay. Oh wow, and like it doesn't really feel like sticky on my hands after applying it on my hair. So yeah, it's like, it feels like it's almost like all gone. Like they're kind of like soft, but like, you know, like sometimes you apply product to your hair and then it's like you can still feel it and you like feel that need to wash your hands. Like, I don't feel anything on my hands now, like it's gone. So that's nice. And then the next one is the Moroccan Oil Superfood Facial Oil by Dr. Botanicals, and this is the full size. This is a 1 ounce, so this is $58. $58.50 for 1 ounce of face oil. Okay, I'm really excited to try this because I love any product that is a rose product. I don't know, I'm just very biased. Like, once it's rose, like, I'm like, okay, I want it. Ooh. Just directly on my head, face. On my head. Okay. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. I don't want to like this. It's so expensive. Okay, so it's definitely not as oily at all. It almost has a very watery texture to it. And I find it that it's almost hard for me to like put, like, it's kind of like pulling on my face. So it feels a little bit tacky, almost like I could use it as a makeup primer, which I'm not mad at. And it smells so delicious. Like, if you like floral scents and like the scent of rose, like, oh, it smells so good. I already have a rose oil that I use on my face at night, but it's super oily, so I don't want to use it before makeup. But theirs I could totally use on my face before applying makeup, and it doesn't leave my face oily whatsoever. Wow, I'm like, just... Oh, vegan certified Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil comes packed with antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins. Not only will the lightweight formula brighten and tired skin, but it will also protect in future damage. Perfect for anyone seeking shortcut to a healthy complexion. Alright, and then this is a tip. The rich facial oil features 3 active ingredients: vitamin C to stimulate collagen production. Okay, I need collagen. Vitamin A to rejuvenate, and almond oil to nourish the skin. Okay, this feels really nice on the skin, you guys. Yeah, but it doesn't feel oily. I don't know if that makes sense. Does my face look brighter? Oh yeah, and then this, my daughter did that, so please don't mind it. This is called the Lumine Purity Dewdrops. They're $14.99 for 0.5 of an ounce. So this is Bye-Bye Dark Circles. Lad Purity Dewdrops revive this delicate eye area while making sure you look and feel more awake. Featuring natural extracts and Lumine's advanced hydro technology, it will keep your skin moisturized throughout the day. And this is what it looks like. Okay. And then natural ingredients like birch sap, pure Arctic Spring water, and vitamin B5 reduces the appearance of dark circles in this fragrance-free formula. So let's just put some right here. It doesn't smell like anything, like absolutely nothing. So we will see. I love under eye products. Let's see if this takes away my dark circles. Maybe not immediately, maybe it takes some time, but we will see how this works under my makeup. Okay, wow, I don't know. Maybe it's just because it's like wet under my eyes, but I feel like it did brighten them. Is that just me, or do I actually, like, in my mirror, I feel like I look more, like, brighter, like, all over than I did when I first started this video? Interesting. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna finish my makeup now, and then I will put this on at the very end, and I will tell you my end result about all of these products that came featured in January's Glossy box, okay? So far I'm liking everything, but yeah. I will be right back, guys. Hi guys, I'm back, and my makeup is almost completed. So I was gonna go ahead and try on the Buxom mascara for you guys. And everything else that I used on my makeup is also from my BoxyCharm, if you guys want to head over and see how I applied like my eyeshadow. I also used the luminizing primer underneath my makeup on top of all the other skincare from the Glossy box. And also the cheek and highlight were from my BoxyCharm. So if you guys would like to go ahead and see that video, you guys are welcome to. Let's see how this works. Okay, and that is the wand. It's a big wand. I mean, I feel like it does give me length now that I've been applying it for like 2 minutes. It has given me a lot of length, but more volume. But I've been layering it too much. I feel like it's a lot of work. Okay guys, and that is the finished results with the mascara. It did take me a while to get like the length that I normally like to have on my eyelashes, but I mean, it's not a bad mascara. I would still recommend the Lash Paradise over this one though. I just feel like it's almost like the same, but the Lash Paradise is a lot less for the full size versus this one. But I don't know. You guys can go ahead and judge. I'm also wearing the Lumi foundation, if you guys were wondering about that. And yeah guys, that is my Glossy box little makeup and try on for you guys. I feel like the oil, my skin feel nice and hydrated, but I would not trade it for my Tatcha because I feel like this one hydrates my skin and it also minimizes my pores, so it's only a couple dollars more expensive than the Dr. Botanicals, but I will use them together next time and I will use up all of my oil. It's just like I don't feel like I would need to buy the full size of this versus this. This is more of like a gel hydrator and this is an oil, but I feel like their consistency are both very watery, very similar, but I still prefer this one. That is my review on this one. I don't know, my under eye does feel hydrated, so I mean, I'm not complaining about this. I feel like I am gonna use this up also. I did like it. I feel like it did make my under eyes brighter and it feels really nice. It doesn't feel dry. The hair oil I will probably love because I've been looking for marula oil and I like how it like didn't make my hands sticky after applying it, so I'm sure it like will make my hair even more nicer. And I will actually let it down now for you guys, and maybe I'll add some to my hair, these little pieces right here, which are usually very dry on my hair. You guys, it's like so, it goes on so nicely. Like, I think I do want the full size of this. It doesn't look sticky or anything, it just like kind of like is just making all of the frizz I had appear, because this, I usually like straighten my bangs because my hair is very, very curly, and it's just like making it look really nice. Wow. I really, really like that. I do feel like I already have like super voluminous hair, so anything that will weigh down my hair a little bit, I feel like only helps. And yeah, I really like this hair oil. It feels really nice. So it also smells really good. Okay. Alright guys, that was my review. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed my unboxing of the Glossy box. I do unboxings every week. I have 5 subscriptions if you guys are interested in those. I am also going to do like a BoxyCharm versus Glossy box video and tell you guys my thoughts on how the boxes compare. They are both around $22 a month. But I enjoy both of my boxes. I'm just like a makeup beauty junkie, so I love everything that I got. So guys, please, please, please do subscribe to my channel and give me a like or a comment if you enjoyed. Bye bye.